Your token is nothing without a real community backing it and shilling it everywhere. And to do that, you actually need to build culture. You need a closed, a gated group of people in Telegram or Discord of holders that actually works for you. And for doing that, you need a token gating tool. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a holder verifier to actually shape a close community with your holders, send them alpha, give them attention, because they will be the ones that actually distribute your token or your project out there. In this video, I'm going to focus only on the setup, but if you want more videos on how to make the most out of these communities, let me know in the comments and I will show you some tricks I got to actually scale projects to the next level. I'm George. I co-founded Smithii Tools, which is basically a no-code tool suite that has made over 2 million in revenue. I've worked with hundreds of tokens, launching out there, advising them for a fee, and I have participated in several tokens that went above 1 million, 10 million market cap. Let me show you real quick what you need to make this happen. There are several holder verifiers or token gating solutions on there, but the best one you can use as of now because of pricing and functionalities is Ancla. It will cost you only $20 a month. If you're using the annual plan, if you are using the monthly, it will cost you $25. If you are only running a token for a week or so, you can even pay only 1 week, so it will be really, really cheap, like $7. Let me get you through the product. It's pretty easy to understand, easy to use, and it's cool because once you want people to verify on your group chat, they have 2 ways to verify: connecting their wallet or just through a non-connection method, which is pretty unique and something that whales really value because they don't want to connect their holdings of $1,000 to any random solution. So that's important. And also it's cool because you have your own custom landing page where people can go and actually verify their wallet and so on with your project information, etc. So it's really, really custom and adapted to a token native experience, which is really important rather than other solutions that are more adapted to NFTs. So to use it, it's really simple. You just need to go to ancla.club and click on Gate Your Community. In this case, I already have a community that I created for testing. As you can see, we have even an analytics admin panel where we can check how our community is doing, basically how it's growing in members in Discord and Telegram, how's our market cap doing, new people verifying and their handles, so we can know who's really a good bet within our community. So it's really useful in this way. To create a new community, we just need to go to Communities tab and click on Create New Community. So I just deleted the community I had. Now I have no info, but let's create a new one here. Perfect. The process is really simple. We need to fill some information. This will be on the landing page where people go to verify their wallet and their Telegram profile, Discord profile, etc. And then we need to select some conditions that will be, the gating of the token. We don't want holders with only one token joining. We want people that actually hold a good bag. And we can even have several group chats for whales, for only holders, with different levels, so it feels more exclusive, which is important. I'm going to create this with an example token I just created. It's not a rag. It was just a tutorial. It's not a serious project. It's just a tutorial I was making on how to use some tools, but it works. So I will call it structured. The Slack will be structured. This will be on the link of our community, as you can see here. Then the community description, whatever. The community logo, I will upload the same logo I put on the token. Here we go. We select if we have a token or an NFT, in this case token. The blockchain is Solana for sure. And then the token, the contract address, we copy it from here. There we go. Perfect. Then we can add some other options and customizations, like project category, in this case meme coin, the white paper if we have one, a project law in description. If you have an utility or whatever, you can go deep here so people when go to the page can see also more information about your project, roadmap, pitch deck, and so on. I will just add random links so you can see how it looks. There you go. Then we click to continue to gating conditions, and here we need to set up the Telegram and the Discord bot. So we set up Telegram, which is the most used. It's really simple, so don't worry. First, we need to select the holding amount. In here, I will put 100%. This is the amount that people will need to hold on their wallet in order to be in your holders group chat. If they sell the token, they will be kicked out by the bot. So you don't need to worry about that. And then we just need to create a group chat that will be used for the holders chat and set up a portal, just like safeguard and so on. So let me do that really fast. So this will be the group chat for holders. So I just click here on Add Ancla. We open it. Then we need to select the group chat, which is this one. We add the bot. Perfect. We go back and we need to make Ancla bot admin. So we go back to Telegram. We promote to admin the bot. Then we need to create a channel, okay? And it will be the portal where people going to verify their wallet within Telegram without needing to go to our website. So we create the channel, portal structured, we create it. It will be a public one. This is the link, add, perfect. We need to click add Ancla bots. Again, if it doesn't show the drop-down list because it depends on your device and so on, you can also do this, which is basically set up group or set up portal. In this case, here we go, and we select the channel. Perfect. You can do the same with the portal group chat. It fails. It depends if you're using the app or browser and which device are you using. Perfect. Here we have, and this is now the message by default we have on the portal. We can just come here and customize it. This is a message, for example. You can also preview it whenever we want. You can add several buttons if we wanted. Verify structured, for example, and the image. So we click on send portal message and we will have the custom one. Here we have, this is a message, verify structured. You just need to delete the previous ones that we don't want here. And this is how it will look, and the user joins here. Please come verify the structured, and it will open directly the chat with the Ancla bot so they can verify. And you don't even need to connect your wallet. You just need to send 0.001 Sol just to verify that you own a wallet. You send it to this wallet address, which is just a random address that it generates. Each time you click on validate, and it will verify that you hold that token. Okay. In this case, let me show you. We gotta buy the token. To verify, I copy here the address. I will send the Sol. Here we have. We send it, and once it's sent, you just click on validate, and it will return me the Solana back again. Then you can set up or Ancla in Discord as well, which is quite the same. We click on invite Ancla. We add it to a group chat in here. We select the server. I want to explain it all because it's really simple. You just need to follow the steps here. You create the Holder Verifier channel. You give permissions to the bot in Discord, and you need to put Ancla above the holder roles so it can grant actually the permissions. You can add even several roles, so you can have different chats with different roles, characteristics, like whales, holders normal, whatever you want, okay? Then here we have the summary of what we did. We continue to publish, and we just need to click on publish, and it will be posted. Here we have our landing page is here. This is Ancla Club community is structured, and here we can see that we have all the information here. It just shows us a dot because it's token from today. Over the days, it will be showing a normal graph with all the information. This is the conditions that you need to hold at least 98 structured, and here you can verify as a holder. You just click here, connect your Discord, Telegram, and so on, add your wallets, etc., and you can be verified as holder. And also we have here all the detailed information that we were adding before. You can come back to your profile and modify anything from here, so you can keep adding any information if you want, and you have the analytics here that will show up after a few days that the bot is taking data to show it to you. You have also more settings that you can modify and so on. You can upgrade the plan anytime. Right now we are in free. The problem is that it has only up to 25 members, so if you want more perks and so on, you can get the trenches plan, which is actually really cheap. And that's basically it. So it's time that you start engaging your community to create actually a culture that works for you and your token. But that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.